myself Prabhas Singh, Assistant Professor from ABES Engineering College, Ghaziabad. Today in this lecture, we will discuss about the important questions of Unit 4. In Unit 4, we have discussed about the dynamic programming, that is DP, backtracking, and branch and bound. This is the very important unit if we talk about in perspective of AKTU as well as a product-based company's recruitment process. I have mentioned one example from each topic. This example belongs to MCM. We have taken these dimensions, we simply represent in the form of the matrices and then multiply these matrices in order to return the minimum cost, and then we have to return that way of parenthesis through which we are getting the minimum cost. In this, we have to write the problem statement. Then recursive formulation, algorithm, and then we have to solve this question. This already I have discussed during the discussion in the MCM. This question belongs to an LCS problem, longest common subsequence. For each of the dynamic programming problem, we have to first let what is the problem statement, then the recursive formulation, then the algorithm, and then we will solve this question and return the value of a Z through a two-dimensional matrix. Third one belongs to a 0-1 knapsack. Same, we deal with the problem statement, then recursive formulation, then algorithm, then we will show how it is better than the brute force approach. Then we will solve this with the help of a two-dimensional matrix and returns the solution. Next is the float-Warshall algorithm, that is an all-pair shortest path. This is one of the most important topic and will mostly be asked in the university examination. We simply return D or pi matrix for the same. I have discussed the solution of this problem while discussing with a float-Warshall. These four questions are from the backtracking. That is, discuss n-queen problem, draw the state space search tree of the 4-queen problem, also specify the solutions. This is all about which we have already been discussed. This is always been asked, what is n-queen problem? The state space search tree of a 4-queen, 5-queen or 6-queen problem can be asked along with a solution. Again, this is subset sum problem. What is a subset problem? We are given a set, we are given an X. We have to represent the solution with the help of an implicit tree or the state space search tree. Same, what is the graph coloring problem? Discussion with the help of an example that the solution will be represented in the form of an state space search tree. Next is a Hamiltonian circuit problem, and the same has been applied on a given graph in the earlier discussion as well. This is a question from branch and bound. We simply, what is a branch and bound, how it is different from the backtracking, and we will simply apply a branch and bound using this. And we have already been discussed this in the separate slide while discussing the branch and bound and the TSP problem using branch and bound. Right. So what we are thinking is, if we talk about the AKTU perspective, then float-Warshall algorithm, float-Warshall question will always be asked. And MCM, LCS, and 0-1 knapsack, there is one question from each. So what we are assured of, we will definitely have one question from this. So 2 questions of 7 marks will be a 14 marks question from DP. This is a mandatory question. This is a 7 marks question will always be asked in the university examination. And if we talk about this, there are 2 problems which are asked for 7 marks. If we talk about this unit, it will be definitely have a weightage of 28 marks maximum. It will range from 21 to 28 marks. Hence, it is the most important unit. Each and every student must go through this unit in detail. All the slides, all the lectures have been prepared in alignment to that. Thank you.